So guys, a very quick video for my anticipation for tomorrow, which is Wednesday. Now, first of all, let's go and check the Forex Factory. Come on, turn the radio on. Forex Factory at 3 a.m. there is news. At 8:30 there is news. At 10 a.m. there is news. At 8:15 non-farm employment change. So tomorrow, lots of news, lots of volatility. Uh, I will try. I will try to position myself during the London session, but I will wait for 3 a.m. news to see what it will give me. Now, going into the weekly chart, we are pushing to the upside. Today is Tuesday. We did the wick to the downside and then we pushed immediately to the upside. So I have this high till this low. We are right now in this week forming the swing low of the weekly chart. So I am anticipating now retracement into the 50% area and into the OTE, optimal trade entry. Okay, so we might keep going into the high of this movement, but my anticipation is into the weekly 50% right now. So in this OTE, I have this fair value gap right here, not all of it intact. So we might also retest this area, and if we are bearish on Euro USD into new low, so I would anticipate a new high formation on Euro USD. So this is on the weekly chart. I am bullish right now on the week, going into the previous candle high and into the 50% area. Now, going into the daily chart. The daily chart is very important. Right here, as you can see, we have a swing low forming. We swept liquidity from Monday, okay, and this is the trade that I took, this movement to the downside. Then, as you can see right now, we pushed a lot to the upside. So right here, this high is taken. So I am bullish for Wednesday. So for tomorrow, I am bullish into previous day's highs and previous 2 days highs. Now, if I want to take previous 2 day highs, as you can see, they are below this Tuesday candle. So I will see what this Tuesday candle will give me. Now, going into the hourly chart. As you can see, on the hourly chart, actually, I took this trade right here from this high. I should have taken the trade until the Monday's low, but I collapsed my trade into this area, making it 1 to 2.6 risk to reward ratio. Right now, as you can see, we are very bullish. My target is this high right here. This is the weekly high. Okay, so this is one of my targets. And right now we are forming buy side liquidity. So as you can see, we have a high right here. We are having some type of resistance at this area. So we might see some type of consolidation right now or push to the downside. So there is 3 more hours to finish the day, and I am bullish for tomorrow. So since I am bullish for tomorrow, I have the basic things to do, which are marking the highs and lows of previous 2 sessions, previous 2 days, sorry. So this is one as a low right here. This is previous 2 days. We have this high right here as previous 2 days. And I will just wait for the high to form on this daily candle to see what it will give me. Now, the idea is that I need to see, this is my low, I need to see a high forming. For example, let's say that this is the high. I would like to see retracement into the 50% area or into the optimal trade entry during London session. So in this way, I can position myself right here to get back into this high right there, because this would be the previous day high and there will be no previous 2 days high. So this would be my target for the day. And if we see very powerful bullishness to the upside, Thursday, as you can see, unemployment claims. So it will be a very powerful day with 5 a.m. core CPI. So we have a lot of news during this week. So we might see a lot of volatility. And in my opinion, if we are going bullish right now, so this candle right here was a sweep of previous monthly candles. So we might see us going bullish. So these 2 days, the next 2 days are very important. Wednesday, Thursday, a lot of powerful news. Okay, even on Euro USD. So very high volatility this week. Usually, since I don't have experience in the market, I would prefer to not take trades, but I am very comfortable trading my strategy. And today actually was a win when I was live trading, and I couldn't ride it until my first target because I was very afraid of losing. but it was a decent risk to reward ratio. Hopefully, this trade today will give me more confidence to keep my trade open. Why? Because I need to accept my risk in order to have a good profit target. I need to accept that I am willing to lose, for example, 0.5% on this trade. Although when I took this trade and I had a 5-minute shift on market structure, I moved my stop loss into this high, so it was a risk-free trade. And even when it was a risk-free trade, I was afraid to lose the trade and to get stopped out because I needed to take something out of the market. So what I did is I took all the position. I should have left something going into my target because it would have kept me uh, disciplined and playing with my rules and with the same rules of my strategy. So today's trading was very good. I executed based on my strategy, but my take profit was not based on my strategy out of fear, okay? Out of fear of losing or getting stopped out. So that's why I stopped the trade and I took like 1 to 2.6 risk to reward ratio. I did not ride it to 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio. So my anticipation for today is bullishness. I need to see 50% retracement on the hourly candle right now, since we are closing the day very bullish. I would like to see what will happen during news tomorrow. Usually, when there is news, I'm afraid to get stopped out, but I will wait for tomorrow to see what will happen. And these are my targets for this week. So tomorrow on Wednesday, if we close bullish, also on Thursday, I would be bullish into the weekly 50% level. So very fast video explaining my anticipation for tomorrow, anticipating what I'd like to see as a retracement, and anticipating my targets. Okay, so everything is clear for me for tomorrow. I need to be disciplined. I need to execute based on strategy, and hopefully, I will see positive results as I saw today. So today was a positive result. I need to work on some things. Okay, for example, right now I need to work on my profit target. I need to keep that trade running and not quick scalping. I need to be an intraday trader because this is how I feel comfortable trading. Okay, I like to ride intraday big moves. Okay, so tomorrow hopefully I will try to fix my take profit target. Okay, and keep it running until my target is hit. Okay, usually it's good to be monitoring your trade, but since I am not an experienced trader yet, so I need to focus on having specific rules, specific strategy, and being disciplined. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to work on, and hopefully tomorrow I will see retracement into these areas right here, hopefully into this high, into previous day high, and we shall see some movement to the upside. Everything in my strategy is that I need to mark on my chart will give me a framework. Okay, so tomorrow when I mark the open of the daily candle, it's very important to work below it before London session after we have the powerful momentum to the upside. Okay, so for example, we opened right here, we rallied to the upside, so I was anticipating push to the downside. Okay, so then when we went into discount, as you can see at 10 a.m., very powerful news pushing us to the upside, changing the market structure. Okay, so we were bearish on previous weeks. Today's news changed the market structure and changed my idea for targets. I am bullish for the week. I have a weekly target, which is a weekly high. I have a weekly target as a weekly 50% retracement and until the OTE. So very good video for my anticipation for tomorrow. Hopefully, if everything aligns, I will be taking a trade tomorrow, and I will be also recording my entry, my take profits, and my position closing, and having some conclusions finishing the trade for tomorrow. This is everything, and hopefully it's insightful for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.